Waiting na po. Waiting po. 2-0. Waiting po. Ulit po. Parehas 0-2. Manalo po dito. Eliminated na. Team D. Sansat. Napuli. GT. Rodel Ferrer versus Ruel Lane. Lopez Lorenzo. Darrell. Team E versus Team F. Team E versus Team F.
Ano yung number 7?
Score po, 4-2. Basket by good ball. 9 minutes exactly. 17. Short counter. No good. People by the top. Eight minutes and 40. Score po, 4-2 in favor of Team F. Wala. Rebound by number 2 points by number Kapuli. On board. 2 points to Lorenzo. 6-4. On 6. Tanda. Rain, taking the cover no hit. Rebound by number 7.
Tulong ka na lang.
7. 2 points. Napoli. 8-6. In favor of Team D. Iwan pa yung Sansat. Sansat. Nagmamadali. Pass to the police. Short jumper. 2 points. Napoli. 10-6 na po. Lorenzo Lipan. Wala. Iwan pa yung 17. Wala pa rin. 17 pa rin. Wala pa rin. Iwan pa yung 17. Wala pa rin. Iwan pa yung Napoli. 17-14. Number 10, Perfect. Number 7, cross over ball. Intercepted by Lee. 17, nawala na. Third counter. Roel, third counter there. Wala, imo kay Sansat. Sansat. 6-8. Sansat. 10 seconds to shoot. Correct. Ang dalawang mahalain, 2 points by Napoli. 12-6, ali na po ang kalamangan ng Team D. Waiting na po ang Team D, 2-0. 17-8, 3.